1 JAMB 2023 Mathematics. A bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls. If the probability of drawing a white ball is half the probability of drawing a red ball, then find the probability of drawing a red ball and a white ball if the balls are drawn without replacement. Very good. Let's come with solution. This is a question on probability. Good. If you look at the question, we are given the number of red balls. So I can say that number of red equal to 8. But they said and some white ball, meaning that we are not given the number of white. Let number of white ball be equal to x, for instance. Good. I can simply get the probability of red, probability of picking red. So that will be 8 all over total. So 8 is the number of red, that is number of red all over total ball. 8 all over. What will be the total ball? We are adding the red and the blue and the white ball together. That's 8 plus x. So I can keep this equation like this. Then probability of white will also be number of white all over total. That's x all over total, which is 8 plus x. I can call this equation 2. Again, from the question, they said if the probability of drawing a white ball is half the probability of drawing red, that will enable us to get the value of x because we need it to get what we are actually finding, which is the probability of picking both. Good. Now, probability from the question, probability of white is equal to half probability of red. So I will just equate this. This, that is x all over 8 plus x equal to half probability of picking red. That's 8 all over 8 plus x. The next thing is to simplify. Of course, this can cancel this. Don't waste your time if you multiply both sides by 8 plus x. Next, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. That means x will be equal to 4. It's as simple as that. That means my total ball, this will enable me to get my total, which is 8 plus x. And from here, x is 4. So that's 8 plus 4. I have 12 as my answer. Now, question now says, find the probability of picking both. That is, picking red and a white ball. You want to draw the two without replacement. Now, probability of red and white. So in that manner. So that means I'm picking red first. So what's the total number of red? We have 8 all over the total, which is 12. Times, anytime you have and in probability, and stands for times, and it's the same thing as intersection. So that's it. So but when they say or, it means addition. But this time around is multiplication. Now, what's the probability of picking white after already picking red? You know that the total will reduce, but the number of white still remain the same. What's the number of white? That's 4. The number of white is 4. That's 4 all over, because we have taken number of white as x, all over total. Since we have already picked one ball before from the white, from the red, that means the total will reduce by 1. So that means we have 11 here. So of course, 8 times 4 is, okay, we can reduce instead of multiplying. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. So I have 8 times 1, 8 all over 3 times 3, 33. So option D is my answer. Thank you.